Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for your Pixel 7, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so you decided to pick up the Pixel 7 and you want to protect your display from getting scratches or even cracking. I decided to pick up this screen protector from Supershieldz. I actually have used them in the past. They make quality screen protectors. In this video, I'm going to just review it, install it, see how hard it is to install, and just let y'all know my overall experience with this screen protector. We're going to make sure the fingerprint scanner works and that you don't lose any sensibility there, and also the overall feel of that screen protector on the phone. You can get this from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Nice presentation. It comes with 3 pieces of glass. It says you can open it here. Now some of the video I might speed up for the purpose of y'all don't need to see me wiping down the phone. Let's see what you get. So if you want help with installation, you can go to that website. They have some installation things here to do. So you have 3 of the kits for the installation kits, and then you have 3 of the screen protectors. So let's see what you get in the kit itself. Now I'm going to try to do this on camera, so yes, that's going to be the fun part. So you have a bunch of dust absorbers, and even if you want to use the little stickers there to help you get the screen protector on, you get 3 wipes, and then you get 3 little fiber cloths. So I'm going to take one. So here's the glass itself. Pretty simple, but let's turn off the phone. The first thing you want to do is turn off the phone. Then you want to take your alcohol wipe and wipe down the phone. I mean, that's pretty easy to do. Now, I wish this one had like a little guide for it, maybe something to help you install the screen protector, but it doesn't. So you just want to make sure your screen is clean, free of, fingerprints and smudges. Then you wipe it down. Again, I'm trying to install this all on camera. So let's see if we can nail it. Then I'm going to take a dust remover and just try to remove all the dust. I recommend doing this like in a bathroom with the shower running. Keep the dust down. Also do it at nighttime. Let that glass sit there for a little bit before you put a case on it. Once you got all your dust removed, you want to just take your screen protector off, line it up as best as you can. I think it's a little high, a little low. So if you mess up, you can just go back and do it again. You just want to try to get it even. This is where a little guide would help. But I think I got it. What I like to do now is just take a screen, the little cloth, and wipe it down. I might have a dust bubble there, but look at that. That's not bad installation, especially doing it over the camera. But it looks pretty good. We want to check out the fingerprint scanner, but it goes pretty much around the edges. Not bad at all. As you can tell, I do have a little, I think a little dust bucket there, a little But at the top, you can see it has the cutout. So the face unlock works perfect. And the fingerprint scanner, no problem. Let's see. And I don't even have the extra settings set up there. So yes, this is a pretty good screen protector. I like how it goes around the edges right there with no problem. So again, if you want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at ForwardReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.